morning. Welcome to James & Sons.
Thank you.
I'm Linda.
Hi, Linda. I'm Tiffany.
Tiffany,
nice
it's
to
a
meet you.
pleasure to meet you. You're here on a very special day. Tacori is launching their new 18K 925 product, which is absolutely amazing.
Hi, I'm John Sunderland, and we're here at the Tacori 18K 925 launch at James & Sons. $18K 925 is Tacori's new fashion jewelry line. Tacori's taken a bunch of their best design ideas from their crescent silhouettes and their vintage styling and incorporated it into the fashion jewelry. And the outcome is really beautiful, natural colored gemstones and sterling and 18 karat yellow and rose gold.
So what's exciting about the 18K 925 by Tacori is that it's affordable price points in fabulous, bold, but feminine styles. The majority of your price points are going to range between $295 and $1,800. So you can really have some fun mixing and matching.
James & Sons is a second-generation family-owned business. My father started it in 1964. James & Sons and Tacori has been doing business together for over 10 years now, and it's really a pleasure to represent the best line in the business as far as engagement rings go, and they're taking it to a whole new level with their fashion jewelry.
So we can remove the enhancer, and then you can take this fabulous necklace, and instead of making it a lariat, you can also wear it as a beautiful long chain. Tacori's new 18K 925 line consists of earrings, bracelets, necklaces, chains, enhancers, all showcasing sterling silver, 18 karat gold, and various gemstones.
Come in and see the Tacori 18K 925. We have it at all three of our stores in Lincoln Park, on Clybourne, and Orland Park in Cherville, Indiana. We hope to see you soon.